Are you wondering what's the best air fryer for this year? If so, stay tuned, because by the end of this short video, you'll know exactly which one to choose. And in today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best air fryers on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the product shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews from this channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. At number 5 is the Dash Compact Air Fryer. The Dash Compact Air Fryer makes crispy and delicious meals with 70% less fat than most traditional frying methods. The compact and lightweight metal and plastic construction with a cylindrical design adds to its space-saving shape. Dash has also made this a smart appliance that comes in a range of colors to match your kitchen, which includes aqua, white, red, and black. It features non-skid pads on the feet which keep it in place when you're pulling or pushing the cooking pan in and out, which is very useful. In terms of convenience, this is a small appliance for your kitchen that is ideal for a couple or single person. It provides 1,000 watts of power, which will quickly heat up to cooking temperature. It's compact, yet spacious enough to hold a dozen chicken wings or a pound of potatoes. And the 1.2 quart capacity air fryer can handle everything, from appetizers to entrees or even desserts. To give you an idea on size, it's a small appliance at a modest 11.5 inches high, 8 inches wide, and 10 inches deep, weighing just 5.6 pounds. So you should face no challenges finding a place for it on your kitchen counter. As for using the air fryer, it's as easy as it gets. And though it performs very similarly to a convection oven, the heat is generated almost instantly, so there's no waiting time for the oven to get up to temperature. Additionally, the self-contained basket keeps the heat circulating to cook foods fast and evenly. Plus, you can regulate the temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Another nice feature is it has a 30-minute timer, and it will shut off the cooker when cooking is complete, which is a safety measure in case you get distracted when using the air fryer. Moving on, cleaning the air fryer is quite simple, since the cooking tray and accessories are dishwasher safe, which is a great time saver. Merely let the tray cool off and place it into your dishwasher top rack, and you're done. To conclude, the Dash Compact Air Fryer could offer you an affordable introduction to air frying. Therefore, if you only expect to cook for 1 or 2 people, then its capabilities might be perfect for you, and it's one we would recommend. At number 4 is the GoWISE USA GW22639 3.7 quart programmable air fryer. The GoWISE USA air fryer allows you to enjoy your favorite fried snacks and foods without the added calories. If you do not have a huge family and don't need a larger model of air fryer, this little programmable unit is ideal. With a 3.7 quart size, it is capable of cooking enough food to serve a small family easily. In terms of design, it comes with a very stylish and trendy appearance, with a bright selection of colors: chili red, plum, white, and black, which we are reviewing today. The great thing about air frying is it gives you the option of frying, grilling, roasting, or baking your favorite foods, everything from cakes to French fries, whilst still being healthy. The GoWISE USA air fryer uses rapid air circulation technology and cooks food by circulating hot air in all directions, ensuring even and fast cooking. Plus, with a temperature range between 170 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, the fryer lets you cook a range of dishes, from crispy fries to juicy wings, with little to no oil. And all this in less than 30 minutes, which we think is pretty great. It's worth mentioning the fryer comes with a few key safety features. The first of these is that the unit shuts off if the basket is removed, which means that you can remove a basket of fries out and shake it without worrying about getting burned. The unit also shuts off after 30 minutes or if it gets knocked over, which is a nice feature for added peace of mind when cooking. Moving on, the GoWISE GW22639 features a digital display with 8 meal presets, which will allow you to cook everything from chicken to pork to fries without having to figure out what settings to use. Cleaning the GoWISE air fryer is also very easy. Simply remove the drawer and the cooking basket, and either hand wash or place these in the dishwasher, as both are dishwasher safe. When the unit is cool, you can wipe down the inside of it. To conclude, if you are looking for an air fryer which allows you to cook healthier food by air frying, that has digital presets for meal options, and is ready to use out of the box, then the GoWISE USA air fryer will not disappoint you. At number 3 is the COSORI 3.7-quart air fryer. This COSORI air fryer uses 360-degree air circulation technology, which produces fast and even circulating heated air. What this means is you'll use 80% less fat than conventional frying methods use. It lets you fry, grill, bake, and roast with little to no oil, allowing you to make crispy fried chicken, steak, fries, pizza, and much more in one simple countertop appliance. The first thing that strikes me about this air fryer is the design of it. It's square, which means that you have more useful space inside of the fryer. It's also very high-end looking with black brushed stainless steel styled exterior that will fit in well on the counter of most modern kitchens. This model is the 3.7-quart size and can serve meals for 2 to 3 people with ease. Moving on, it comes with a lovely built-in touchscreen menu featuring 11 presets: steak, chicken, seafood, shrimp, bacon, frozen foods, French fries, vegetables, root vegetables, bread, desserts. So you don't have to spend ages working out the best settings for various foods. Another addition that's unique on this COSORI air fryer is a helpful shake reminder. It lets you know when it's time to shake the contents for an even fry. And it also has a keep warm function if you need your food kept warm for a while, which we really liked. As for cleaning, its non-sticky and easy to clean fry basket and pot are equipped with a cool touch handle and button guard to prevent accidental detachment. These are removable parts and are dishwasher safe, so are easy to clean. Additionally, it comes with a complimentary cookbook with 100 original, delicious, and easy recipes for every meal, from a range of cuisines like seafood, French fries, fried chicken, meatballs, desserts, and a ton of entrees, which is a really nice addition. To conclude, the COSORI air fryer may be a more expensive choice than some of the rest, but it is definitely worth the investment for the quality you get, and we're sure you will love it. At number 2 is the Philips HD9220-28 Viva Air Fryer. The Philips air fryer is a hot air cooker that offers a healthier alternative to deep fat frying. Air is the new oil, and with the Philips air fryer, you can use that air to fry in a better way with up to 75% less fat. Design-wise, the Philips air fryer is surprisingly compact on the kitchen worktop. It's tall and thin rather than wide like a rotary fryer. The top part is a heating element and fan, while the bottom section is a drawer that can be removed to reveal the cooking basket. For your information, the device is 15.1 inches tall, 11.2 inches wide, 12.4 inches deep, and weighs 15.4 pounds, and the basket can hold 28 ounces, around 800 grams of food. This Philips air fryer has a patented Starfish design in its basket, which enables the cooking of your food to be done evenly for great tasting food every time you use it. The controls are simple. A dial at the top lets you set the temperature between 80 to 200 degrees Celsius, while the timer knob above the handle controls cooking. And on the back, there's an unusual cord storage that's handy, although it can protrude a little. In terms of cleaning, the removable non-stick coated drawer and food basket are dishwasher safe for a quick and easy cleanup after your meal. The Philips air fryer uses rapid air technology, which saves you and your home from the smell of fried oil, compared to a regular fryer, which was one of the key reasons for including this model in our list. Additionally, there is a handy recipe book and free app with more than 150 recipes, giving you a step-by-step guide to air fryer cooking. So, is it worth buying? If what you heard so far is appealing, then definitely yes. I'm a big fan of simplicity, and a 2-button device is as simple as it can get. I can give this to my grandma, and she would be able to use it no problems. This is definitely one air fryer that you should consider. At number 1 is the Avalon Bay AB Air Fryer 100B, 3.7-quart capacity air fryer. The Avalon Bay air fryer works by using rapid air circulation technology, which mimics the effects of deep frying, so you can enjoy your favorite fried foods without the addition of any oil. As far as build quality goes, it has a plastic body with detachable basket that's made of non-stick mesh with a heat-resistant exterior, a design which we really liked. You can choose from 4 sleek 3.7-quart models to match your kitchen countertop, including black, red, and white. Capacity-wise, the metal basket is circular in shape, measuring around 8 inches wide and 3.5 inches in depth. This means that you can fit in up to 6 chicken drumsticks, depending on their size. Moving on, the Avalon Bay Air Fryer has an adjustable temperature dial that allows you to preset your desired temperature for cooking, depending on the food you like the most. The gauge is set above the timer, which allows you to select the temp between 175 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 80 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. The bottom of the air fryer allows the fat to drip down, which further reduces the greasiness of your meals, so you can enjoy the taste of fried food without any negative side effects, like stained shirts and, of course, negative health effects. Another big plus is the significant safety elements in action to prevent unfortunate events, such as non-skid feet and a built-in timer that turns off the fryer after 30 minutes of inactivity. As for cleaning the fryer, the cooking pan, non-stick metal mesh basket, and other removable accessories can be placed in hot soapy water and washed by hand. They may also be placed in the dishwasher as they are completely dishwasher safe. Finally, it's worth noting that the Avalon Bay Air Fryer includes a non-stick baking dish, multi-use rack, and a 50-page Avalon Bay cookbook for air fryers, which is more than enough to get you started on your air frying journey. To conclude, if you're struggling to choose the perfect air fryer for your kitchen, then Avalon Bay AB Air Fryer 100B is easy to use, which will make your life easier, the food tastier, and the kitchen cleaner, and is our overall top choice. We're sure you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you found it useful. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this in the future. If you do have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Catch you soon.